We're going to use magnetics to show how we can see multiplication work. So I'm giving Tazwar Rashid Ridwan. Hi Tazwar, please introduce yourself. You have food in your mouth, but that's okay.
Hi. I'm saying my yucky food that I'm chewing.
Oh, you want to see yucky food? Okay, but he is Tazwar Rashid Ridwan. He's in kindergarten 1.
Hey!
Aren't you in kindergarten 1?
Kindergartens are for babies.
KG 1? Oh, okay. KG 1. Alright, so
We're gonna give this to the TV, everyone.
yes, we're gonna go give it on YouTube, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give Tazwar to split up 24 into 3 times 4 times 2 dimensions, and he's gonna use the magnetics to actually do this splitting up of 24 using magnetics in different dimensions. Okay, so he has 24 here. Let's see how he can do that.
Okay, here's 3, as Papa said. Then comes 4 line mates. 1, 2, and then 3, 4. See? Now I will give one here and another here. See? As Papa told me, I did it. See? Almost did it.
Now you have to calculate. How many are you calculating so far? It's show the x-axis and the y-axis and the z-axis.
The x-axis is this way and this way.
Right.
The y-axis is this way and this way. The z-axis is this way.
Yeah, so you don't have a z-axis yet, right?
Yes.
So make the z-axis. So which one are you considering the x in your 3 times 4 times 2? You can do any one as x and y or z.
Just wait. Now I'll give another one of it.
Okay.
Let's see if it works.
So if you're giving another one of it, which axis are you expanding?
Which axis?
So you said you have an
Z-axis.
Z-axis. Okay, great. So you said you already have the x and y axis. Now you're expanding on the z-axis.
Now I'll give another of this. Right?
So how much more did you expand on the z-axis?
1.
You expanded one more. So now you have, can you multiply again and see how many you have here?
Okay, let's see. 4, 3 is 12. Okay, 12 multiplied with 4. I think that's wrong. I think it's like this.
So you multiply the x-axis first with the y-axis. Which one is your x-axis again?
What?
Which one is your x-axis?
These 2 ways.
Right. So multiply. So see how many do you have on your x-axis? You have. Look. You have.
1, 2.
No. X-axis. Which way are you considering x-axis?
That way.
This way. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right?
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
No, but this is your z-axis. You're not going to count the x-axis again. You're going to count it only one time, right? So you count 1, 2, 3, 4 in your x-axis. On your z-axis you have 1, 2. So that's 4 times 2 is 8, right? And what do you have on your z-axis? Y-axis. 1, 2, 3. So how many are here already? Okay, tell me again. In your x-axis you have 1, 2, 3, 4. In your y-axis you have 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3.
12.
12. And in your z-axis you have 1, 2. So that will make 12 times 2 is
24?
24. So we've completed that. The only thing that we need to arrange this here and first put the x-axis. So you said your x-axis is 4. Then can you write which one was your y-axis and your z-axis from here, from this structure that you made? Just write your y-axis and z-axis.
No.
You wrote your four.
The numbers of it?
Yes.
Okay. I can do it.
And put multiplication in between, okay? So 4, I've already written for you the x-axis. Oh, you want to write a new one?
X goes in 4, right? Right?
Okay, so you gotta give x equals 4. You say x equals 4. Okay?
Okay.
Then, what do you have? Say y equals.
Hey! Y equals.
Give an equal sign.
Y equals
See from here, what is your y?
3.
Oh, great. You know it already. Okay, what's your z?
My Z is equal to 2.
2. Great. Now what have we done here? We have multiplied x times y times z. Right? So you multiply the numbers. I just wrote you the multiplication of the x's. So you put the numbers and multiply.
So I put the numbers. Papa, what's this?
X times y times z. So what is your x? Write the number there.
My X
Is
4.
4 times, what is your y?
My Y is 3. 24. Hey, do.
Ah, you figured out, huh? You figured it out. Equals. Wow, would you look at that? So, the last thing that I want to tell you is, we had 24 initially.
Yes.
What we did was, we split up the 24 into 3 dimensions. If this is your x, this is your y, and this is your z, how did we split it up? We put, how much did we put in x? You have it here.
4.
4. How much did we put in y? Can you write it down? How much?
Yeah. I can write it down. Don't tell me anything.
I'm not
Don't
telling
give
you.
me clues.
I'm not giving you clues.
And
Great. So that's how you can split up numbers into dimensions. Get that idea? Now can you show me a dimension in this room? Do you see an x-axis in this room?
I think so. I think it's lots of place.
This floor?
Yes, it's a graph paper, right? So look, I can see x-axis everywhere. See?
Where is your y-axis?
My y-axis is like this everywhere. My x-axis is like this lots of places.
And where is your z-axis in this room?
My z-axis is up and down.
You see the wall going up? Yeah?
Yes.
That's the z-axis. Cool, huh? So if I told you, Tazwa, can you split up the number 24 in the floor? You could have done that. Couldn't you have split up the 24 in your x-axis 4,
Yes.
and then your y-axis 3,
Yes.
and then your z-axis 2?
Yes!
Yes, that's...
Yes!
Now let me tell
Yes!
you. Now let me tell you one
Yes!
thing. That's how engineers make buildings.
Well, I'm an engineer, and I can make a stronger building than any engineer. Watch me. Okay. Hey, what do we do with
Okay, now you say bye-bye to everyone.
No. It's not
We'll
done.
do another one. We'll do
Just-
another one. But
just
if
forget
it's
it.
too long, we can't put it on YouTube. You have to say bye-bye
It's
to
not-
everyone.
it's-
If it's too long, we can't put it on YouTube. Come on, quickly, you have to say bye-bye.
Okay. Bye. Peace.
Say see you all again.
We'll see you all again. But this is a fun thing that I wanted to show you.